It's time to check out some indie brand goodies. Woo woo! Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my unboxing of the November edition of Pandora's box. I am super excited to see what is in this month's edition. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. Should this be your first video of mine that you are watching, no, I do not sound like this on a regular basis. My voice is a little strained from getting over a cold, as I explained in my last video. But hopefully by next week, I'll be back to my old self again. But since we're here, let's go ahead and unbox the November edition of Pandora's box. For those of you who may not be familiar with Pandora's box, what that is, it is a subscription service that is like Ipsy or BoxyCharm, but with a twist. They focus mainly on indie brands. You get about 7 to 10 items each month from different brands, and you get a variety of items. You get cosmetics, bath and body, some jewelry. We've gotten candy before, so it's a nice variety of products that we get each month. They do have a monthly theme. The running theme for this year has been fantasy. The year before that, it was women in history. I'm not sure if they're going to continue with the fantasy theme going into 2021 or if they're going to change it. The way that ordering works for Pandora's box is that you have a window from the 1st through the 15th of each month, which is your pre-order window for the next month's box. So say if you want to get in on December's edition, you have until November 15th, which if I post this video when I want to, it's going to be today to get in on December's edition. And once December rolls around, the box will ship out from the 1st through the 5th, depending on what day it falls on, any holidays and whatnot. Pandora's box does have two ways that you can purchase your box. You can either do an auto renewal charge, which is like, you know, your regular subscription services like Ipsy, BoxyCharm, where they charge you at the 1st of the month. Or you can do a one-time purchase. So that way you can pick and choose which boxes you want to get. Now, if you do auto renewal or if you order during early access, you do get a free gift in your bag each month. So little perks to having, you know, the auto renewal or ordering in early access. Normally they do early access, I want to say about 4 to 5 days before the 1st rolls around. So now that all that has been said, let's go ahead and dive into November's edition. When your Pandora's box is shipped, you do get an email describing what items are in the box and come from which brands. I do have mine in front of me, so I will read that off to you. It does say, "Thank you for choosing Pandora's box of indie obsessions. Each month is dedicated to fantasy. The November edition's theme is Return to Hades, Persephone's Journey Part 2. I cannot remember off the top of my head when the first one was. I know it was this year. I do know that. There is a free gift for early release and auto renewal orders, like I stated earlier. Demeter's time of the year with her daughter Persephone is coming to a close. While the harsh winter sets in for many, we hope items in Pandora's box can remind you of warmer times. Hades attempted to curse this edition, just like the original Persephone's Journey. We showed him, though. I can't read. We all did our best to come together and still make this edition super special for all of you." So now let's go ahead and see what our first item is. Ooh, this is pretty. It is a little mini palette from OMFG Cosmetics. Ooh, that is super pretty. I like that. It says in the email from OMFG Cosmetics, we have a 5-pan palette included that is randomly selected. The brush set that was planned, there was a brush set that was supposed to actually be in this set, in this edition, instead of the eyeshadow palette, but they had some issues with it. It says, it will be shipped to you separately about a week or so after you receive this package. We hope the extra edition of the palette will help with the additional weight on the brushes, which I think that is amazing from OMFG Cosmetics to do that. Not all brands are like that. So I'm excited. I can't wait to try this. I really do like this brand. All right, next up, from Augusta Rose Designs, we have the Pumice Scrub in Persephone's Journey. I actually have the Pumice Scrub and I use it on the regular. When it comes to my psoriasis, it really does get that dead skin off. Oh, it's a lifesaver. I actually am glad I got this because I am like scraping that jar. I haven't ordered a new one yet. Oh, this smells amazing. Oh, it has a nice, like, berry smell to it. It says on here, from Augusta Rose Designs, we have a new item to the box. A sample-sized pumice scrub scented in jammy blackberry, strawberry, and raspberry, balanced with notes of dry oak wood and vanilla bean. It smells like a rich, full-body Cabernet. You can find the pumice scrubs on the website. Combat the cold, dry months with a pumice scrub and keep your skin soft and ready for the spring, summer, which is absolutely true. This is one of my holy grails for dry skin. Next up, we have something from Copacetic Cosmetics. Ooh, I hope this isn't broken. Okay, it's not broken. It just had some fallout, and the way that this was packaged, I didn't want to get it all over the place. It looks like it's an eyeshadow. It's a very pretty color. It is in the shade Fruit of the Underworld. Let's go ahead and give it a little swatch. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's real pretty. That's a very pretty red. Okay, it says from Copacetic Cosmetics, we have a full-size pressed blush. Interesting. When I received the inspiration pick for this item, I knew it would be beautiful, but I was blown away when I got to see the finished piece. That is actually really nice. I may have to try this out. It might be a little bit too dark for me. I'll have to see how I can blend it out. If not, I will definitely use it as an eyeshadow because it is very pigmented and it is a very beautiful shade. Alrighty, next up we have from Cerynda's Enchantments, we have the Hand Blessing Sanitizer in Persephone's Journey and the Potion Lotion in Return to Hades. That's pretty cool. I do want to let you guys know that I am an affiliate with Cerynda's Enchantments, and I do have a discount code that will be in the description bar for you guys. You just can't use it on Pandora's Box or the Pandora's Box Remix, but any other product on the website, you can use. Right, let's go ahead and smell this. Ooh. It smells. I'm getting a hint of like everything, but for some reason it smells like baby powder to me. It has like a baby powder smell to me. All right, that's the lotion. Let's see what the hand sanitizer. Ooh. That's very strong. I can't really get a good whiff of it because it is really, really strong. So I have to see what the email says. Okay, it says from Cerynda's Enchantments, we have a 1 ounce potion lotion. As one of our lovely customers says, this behaves like a butter but feels like a thick lotion. It sinks into the skin quickly and doesn't leave behind a greasy feel. Lightly scented with white and black ambers, lavender, woods, and sage with a hint of cinnamon. I don't smell the cinnamon. Just enough to add a tiny bit of spice to the mix. And now the hand sanitizer. It says, for early release auto renewal orders, we also included our 2 ounce Blessing Hands hand sanitizer, which is the free gift for this month. It's scented with the original Persephone's Journey fragrance. Notes of raspberry, pomegranate, plum, rhubarb and watermelon, rose, pink pepper, clove, Balm, a Papanox, please don't feed me to the wolves if I'm saying these wrong, and Guaiac Wood, Cedar, Patchouli, Musk, and Amber. No wonder why I could not smell this, because it has so many scents in it. All right, moving right along. Got something in this. Let's see what it is. Looks like we have a loose pigment from Psyche Minerals in the shade Dual Deity. Let's go ahead and give her a swatch. Ooh, this is really pretty. Ooh, that is super pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to use that. Okay, it says on here from Psyche Minerals, we have a deluxe sample shadow. The shade is a bit darker than the original Persephone's Journey shade created months ago. They will go together beautifully. It is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Looks like we got a pair of butterfly earrings. Doesn't say who it's from though. Ooh, these are pretty. Those are super pretty. All right, let's check the email, see who these are from. Okay, these are actually from Bathory Boutique. We have a pair of earrings. Healing Maiden had a last-minute health emergency, and we hope she gets better soon. I really do hope she gets better soon. Sending all my love out to you. Bathory Boutique stepped in at the last second and got these made and mailed quickly for you. Bathory Boutique is revamping her shop, so I highly encourage everyone to check it out. These are really pretty, and they're made from like a very sturdy material. It's kind of like a combo between a rubber and a plastic, but they are super pretty, and they're very lightweight too. Next up, we have a pressed eyeshadow from F.A.I.R Cosmetics in the shade Hades Hound. That is super pretty. Let's give this a swatch. Ooh, this is very soft. Ooh, I like. I am going to be using this ASAP. Okay, it says from Fair Beauty, we have a full-size pressed shadow. This burgundy red shade is just what we need entering the colder months. Bring in some fire to our dreamy days as Demeter wants to be reunited with her daughter Persephone. I always have a hard time with that word. Alrighty, we got 2 products left. The first one is from Notoriously Morbid, and it is a loose pigment in the shade Pomegranate Seeds. Let's go ahead and open her up and give her a swatch. Ooh, this is a very pretty matte purple. Oh, that is super pretty. Sorry, I'm getting it everywhere. That is a very pretty matte purple. I cannot wait to use that. The email says from Notoriously Morbid, we have a full-size matte shadow. We haven't done many mattes lately, and Carrie and her team were only too happy to help rectify that. You can find more amazing shadows on their website. And the last item we have is from BFTE Cosmetics, and it is a loose pigment in the shade Lava Mama. I love that shade name. That is so cool. All right, let's go ahead and give her a swatch. It's a nice... Ooh, that is a fire pink right there. That is super pretty. I am loving all these shades this month. Alrighty, it says on here from BFTE Cosmetics, we have a sample shadow in Lava Mama from their regular line. As the underworld, boils in anticipation of Persephone's return, her confidence shines through everything. She is for sure the original Lava Mama. That is actually a really pretty shade. I'm going to have to buy the full size of it very, very soon. All right, I am going to straighten all this up, and then I will be right back with my with the prices and my final thoughts. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down the prices of these products. The Augusta Rose Pumice Scrub. It is $12 to $14 for a full size, and that does include shipping. The full size is a little bit bigger than this. This is the Rebel Meringue from Rebel Rouge Labs. I use this as a example because it's right here next to me. My pumice scrub's in the shower. but it's a little bit bigger than this. The earrings from Bathory Boutique are $3. The eyeshadow from BFTE Cosmetics, this is the sample size. It retails for $2.05. The full size retails for $6.60, I believe. Yeah. All right, for the lotion from Cerynda's Enchantments, it retails $6 for a 1 ounce. Is this a 1 ounce? Yeah. $6 for the 1 ounce, and the hand sanitizer retails for $4 for this size bottle. And don't forget, I do have a discount code. You can save 10% on these products. Be listed down in the description box. The blush from Copacetic Cosmetics retails for $15. The pressed eyeshadow from F.A.I.R Beauty retails for $6. The matte eyeshadow from Notoriously Morbid, I'm holding it upside down, retails for $5.99 for non-multi-chrome shades. Of course, multi-chromes are going to be more expensive because of, you know, the more ingredients and the shifting and everything in it. The palette from OMFG Cosmetics is available on the website for $14, and it's actually on sale for $9.99. The loose pigment from Psyche Minerals is $7 for a full size. Please remember, this is a sample size. And that's it. I actually really did like this month's box. I really love the shades of the shadows. I may have to throw a look together with all these shades because they are very, very beautiful. I'm going to have to ask Amy about the scent of this. I may have rambled one too many scents off earlier, so I am going to have to ask her about this. But yeah, other than that, I really, really do love this this month's edition. Next month, the theme is Release the Kraken, and you do have until the 15th to order it. Like I said, if I get this video up on the day that I want it, it will be the last day to order it. So yeah. I will place links down in the description box on where you can purchase Pandora's box and the links for all these brands. If there are any other discount codes that are listed in the email, I will list them in the email. I'll list them in the description box. The only one that I have is the one from Cerynda's Enchantments. And remember, you cannot use it on Pandora's box or Pandora's box Remix. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products that I used today for this makeup look will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye! Alrighty. When you, blinked. Whew. I need a drink. I have loose pigment all over my desk. This is freaking awesome.